Hey guys, today I'm gonna be filming a little review on this brand new BMW X1. It's a 2023 model year. So this car, it's X1 xDrive23i, which means that it has a inline 4-cylinder petrol or gasoline turbocharged engine producing 218 horsepower. It has automatic transmission and a 4-wheel drive. The color on this car is called frozen pure gray. It's like this metallic or matte looking grayish color. This car also has a M Sport package. It's lowered, it has a sportier look. You can see it on the front bumper, which is different. These vents are not fake. It has a really aggressive front bumper, new BMW LED headlights, and a new grille which opens and closes depending on the temperatures of the car. The hood has hoverboard, which makes this car look more muscular. It has 20-inch rims, 245 40 20-inch rims. Here is a closer look at the rear lights. Let's open the boot first. It's electric powered. Right here is the boot capacity. It has a new flush door handles. If we take a look inside, the door panel looks really nice. It has this white leather trim. The handles are metal. Very good looking, very good feeling.
Good race today, very good weather.
The Harman Kardon sound system. It also has a M Sport seats, which have this side bolstering. It also has a M Sport steering wheel. If we take a look inside, this is how the interior looks like. The biggest change on the interior is that there is no iDrive, so most of the things are controlled from the infotainment. You have your applications, your menu, your media, radio, telephone. Overall, the system is really responsive. I have my CarPlay connected. Over here, you've got your start-stop engine button, your gear selector, which is also new, your parking brake, your My Mode, warning lights, parking cameras, and your volume button. If you press this little cubby opens. Underneath you have little storage as well. Here is a glove box, classic looking glove box. On the other side you have two vents and this aluminum looking trim. This car also has a sunroof. If we take a look to the second row, I have my front seat set for me as I would sit, and I have enough leg room. I also have a lot of headroom in this car. Over here you have your vents and two USB-C charging ports. You also have a armrest in back with two cup holders. Same as the front seats, you have a nice door handle. We can open the hood. Take a look at the engine. So it's a BMW's inline 4-cylinder, 2-liter 4-cylinder turbocharged petrol engine, producing 218 horsepower. If we start the engine, what is new in this generation of a BMW is the My Mode selection over here. If you press it, this pops up and you can choose between various different settings. For example, sport setting, press a different mode, natural or personal, and you also have like an expressive one, which is also like a marvelous looking and colorful. You also have interior ambient lighting, as you can see. So we're gonna do a little drive, little POV drive with this brand new BMW X1 23i. It also has a M Sport door panels. Alright guys, today we're filming a little point of view drive with this brand new BMW X1. It's a 2023 model year. This is the xDrive23i model, which means it has a inline 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine. On the hood you can see the bulging hood, which makes this car look more muscular, bigger than it really is. It also adds some sporty element to it. There is a lot of traffic today, unfortunately. So if we press the My Modes button over here, we are able to select from various modes. For example, the Sport mode gives us traction control off, and the engine will rev more, and the gas pedal has a different feeling to it when you press it, and also a little bit of the sound. Yeah, then if we press it again, we can select different mode. For example, expressive. It also changes the graphics in the gauge cluster. You also get two cup holders in the front seat and a place for your iPhone or phone. Alright guys, I think that's about it from this little drive. Hope you enjoyed this video and hope we see you next time.